Hey Rails, this is just for you. We're on a street called State Street, and it's railroads all the way to LA. I'm in the middle of doing, or I should say we are in the middle of doing a Uber Eats trip. Sorry I missed the diesel engines, or the 3 yellow ones.
That's a long way.
Yeah, it's about 2 miles. And this is what we got. Pizza for somebody. Not us.
Not for us.
We don't get pizza. Not yet. Oh, look at that pothole right there. We're in Pothole City.
That's a huge one.
Yep, it's like this train. It's a huge one.
Huge train.
I see engines coming up, and they're your favorite kind, diesel. And they're yellow, Santa Fe, eh? I don't know if they're yellow. I can't see them. Yeah, they are. They're Union. Union Pacific Railroad. There you go. That video is just for El Paso, Texas rails. Just for you.